Yo, what's popping guys? Welcome back to my channel again. My name is Christopher Corinthian. If you don't know me, make sure to subscribe to me. I post a lot of vlogs and reaction videos on this channel. And yeah, make sure to subscribe to me and press the bell button because you don't want to miss any video from me guys. My videos are literally lit and dope. Alright? If you don't know who is the most dope YouTuber in the world, here it is. Here it is. The best YouTuber ever, alright? Because I'm sharing my life to you all, and actually I entertained a lot. And so today, from the title you already know, I'm going to unbox Ferrero Rocher. Woo, woo, woo! What is this, guys? What is this? Is this good? Have you eaten this before? I don't know how to pronounce it correctly or exactly, but I pronounced it as Ferrero Rocher. Yeah. Okay, let me spell it out for you. Ferrero, Ferrero Rocher. Rocher. How to spell it? Ferrero Rocher. Ferrero Rocher. I don't know how to spell. If you know how to spell it, make sure to comment down below or go to my Instagram, hit me up and use the voice message to tell me how to pronounce this. It's so hard to pronounce. I think it's from Italy, right? Should be. Yeah, Italy. From Italy. Yeah, it's from Italy. Alba, Italy, guys. Made in Italy by Ferrero Industriale Italia. SRLPLEP Ferrero 1 I12051. Alba, Italy. I'm going to unbox this. I don't know why do I have this. Is it? I'm not really sure, guys. Okay, so before you want to eat something, make sure to check out the expiry date. Right? The expiry date is 2020 August 2nd. Now it's only April 18. Alright, so I'm gonna unbox this. So first of all, I'm gonna teach you how to unbox Ferrero Rocher, guys. So if you see this thing right here, there is a tape. Alright, so just take it out. Follow the flow all the way down. Yeah. Okay, it's good to go. It's good to go. Good to go, guys. It's good to go, guys. Good to go, guys. It's good to go, guys. Oh my gosh! I literally have the tape right now. Invisible tape. Hey. Or one-sided. Hey! Okay, it's okay. Italian creations. Satisfaction guaranteed. Oh, satisfaction guaranteed. If I'm not satisfied, what would you do? You're not going to do anything. Alright, so let's unbox this one. Okay, so just open. It's kinda hard to open because it's sticky, right? Eh? Oh, actually it has another invisible tape right here. If you can see, right here, yeah. Ding, 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 ding. So that's why when I open that side, it's hard to open, alright? So this tape actually you can throw it because we are not going to use it anymore unless you want to do something recycle, maybe. I'm not sure because it's pretty messed up right now. I'm sure you cannot do it with this thing, right? Unless you are out of tape, you want to use it, just use it, alright? Save some money, bro! Alright, so this is a Ferrero Rocher. Yeah, good to go. Yo, so nice. If you look at it, it's like eggs, you know, like eggs, like golden eggs, guys. It's like, if you're a kid, I'm sure you'll think it's like an Easter egg, right? They are like Easter eggs. guys, it's like literally like the best thing ever can ever see. Oh my gosh, Ferrero Rocher. Oh my, I scared it will fall down, guys, but so nice. Wow. Okay. Done. I'm not going to edit this video. I'm gonna make it raw. Alright? Can I do that? Huh? Can I do that? I'm sure you like it a lot. So if you haven't watched my day 27 and day 3 lockdown activity video, make sure to go and check out. I'm gonna link it right here. Right here, make sure to check it out. Alright? I'm going to do a lot of videos or vlogs during lockdown, alright? Because I want to share with you my daily activity, guys. And I'm gonna take one to it. So which one should I take? Can you please tell me? Oh, okay. I hear that. Okay, so I'm gonna take this one. Somebody said at the side. Right. Thank you so much, brother. So how to open this? Okay, look at this Ferrero Rocher, right? We are going to, it has this brown paper at the bottom. So you are going to like, how to say, like, you just remove it. Oh, wait, is it? No. Actually, you are going to open from. You see, it's originally like this, closed, but you need to open it. Like this. Okay. I show you. Okay, see this? See this thing? So there are actually two sides. So just slowly open it. Look at it. The baby chicken is inside. Alright? Okay, so once you open it, alright, open your mouth and eat it. Put it inside your mouth. Like this. Eat it, one shot. Woo! That's how you drive? No, right? I'm sure a lot of guys didn't drive in this period because you cannot go out, right? I guess so, unless you went out and buy something else. Okay, so I have eaten one. So basically there are still 1, 24 eggs right here, but I've eaten one, so there are 23 left. Alright, and I hope you guys will stay safe in this lockdown. Try to stay indoor, stay at your home. Don't go out too much, literally. If you really need something, only you go and buy, or else you are going to stay at home. I'm not, how to say it, I want to help you, like to stay safe, because we don't know if the air outside there is coronavirus or not. You won't know, so just stay safe at home. Alright, like this cute turtle being my company the whole time. Okay, Thanks a lot for watching, and hope you subscribe to my channel and watch all my videos. I have a lot of cool videos, and make sure to check out my new song. It was blowing up on Spotify. I'm gonna link it right here. Alright, I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Thanks for supporting me. As always, peace. Love you guys.